Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods, here to take you through today's market action. Stocks kicked off Fed week on a mixed note. The Dow closed at a new all-time high, adding 0.6%. The Russell added 0.3%. The S&P 1/10. The Nasdaq's winning streak ended, however. It closed down 0.5%. As for the sector movers, financials and energy rallied 1.2%. Materials gained almost 1%. Technology ended as the day's biggest laggard, closing down about 1%. Shares of Apple fell to their lowest level in over a month after reports of lower than expected demand for its new iPhone 16 models. A TFI securities analyst said pre-orders were at 37 million units, almost 13% below pre-orders for the iPhone 15, blaming that weak demand on Apple Intelligence not being available at launch and intense competition in the Chinese market. Intel was a winner, adding over 6% and even more after hours after the company announced an expanded AWS partnership and said it's establishing Intel Foundry as an independent subsidiary. The chipmaker is also pausing factory projects in Germany and Poland for 2 years. The news comes after it secured an up to $3 billion contract with the U.S. government as part of the Secure Enclave program. This is in addition to the roughly $20 billion it was awarded back in March as part of the CHIPS Act. Shares for other major chip makers slipped on Monday. Nvidia, Taiwan Semi, and Micron all closed lower. Oracle closed at an all-time high as the post-earnings rally continued for the cloud company. Jefferies raised its price target to $190 from $170 and kept its buy rating on shares. The firm believes Oracle is getting its mojo back as OCI and backlog growth are accelerating. Melius Research, meanwhile, upgraded the stock to a buy with a $210 price target, which implies more than 20% upside to the current price. Oracle is up over 60% so far in 2024. Now, tomorrow, the FOMC meeting begins ahead of Wednesday's interest rate decision. On the data front, we'll get retail sales, industrial production, and the housing market index. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.